In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and format a date field in Acrobat Pro Web using Chrome. To get started, open your form document in Acrobat Pro Web using the Chrome browser. Make sure the document you want to edit is fully loaded before you begin, so the tools respond properly and you can clearly see the page where the date field needs to go. Working in Chrome helps ensure the web tools display correctly and gives you a smooth editing experience. Once your document is open, go to the Prepare a Form workspace. This is the area in Acrobat Pro Web designed specifically for building interactive forms. When you switch into this dashboard layout, Acrobat scans the document and gives you access to the form field tools you need. If your form already has existing fields, you'll be able to see them here as well, which makes it easier to keep everything aligned and consistent. From the available form components, select the date field tool. This is the input type meant specifically for dates, and using the correct field type is important because it helps with both formatting and usability. A date field can guide users to enter information in a consistent way, which is especially useful if the form will be filled out by multiple people. After selecting the date field tool, click on the exact area of the form where you want the field to appear. This places the date field onto your chosen row or section of the document. Try to position it neatly within the layout so it lines up well with the surrounding text or labels. If needed, you can fine-tune placement after inserting it, but the key is to mount it in the correct target area first. Next, open the field properties for that date field. This is where you control how the field behaves and how the entered date will appear. In the properties settings, specify your custom date display format such as dd/mm/YYYY. Setting the display format is an important final step because it standardizes the way dates are shown and helps prevent confusion, especially for forms used across different regions where date formats may vary. Once that format is applied, your date field is ready to use. You now have a properly placed date input in your form, along with a clear and consistent display format that improves accuracy and readability.